Welcome to the ultimate guide to cleaning solutions, ingredients, and uses. In this video, we'll be discussing various cleaning solutions and their ingredients. From natural ingredients to chemical compounds, we'll cover all the options you have for keeping your home clean and sparkling. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about natural cleaning solutions. These are made primarily from non-toxic and eco-friendly ingredients. They are a great option if you're looking to reduce your environmental impact and avoid exposure to harsh chemicals. Some common natural ingredients include vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. Each of these has its own unique cleaning properties and can be used for a variety of tasks around the home, from removing stains to deodorizing surfaces. Next, we have chemical cleaning solutions. These are typically made from synthetic compounds and are designed to tackle tough stains and grime. They can be highly effective, but they also come with some potential downsides. Some chemicals can be toxic or harmful to humans and pets, and they can also have a negative impact on the environment. It's important to use these solutions carefully and follow the instructions on the label. Now, let's talk about combining ingredients. Sometimes, combining natural and chemical cleaning solutions can be a great way to get the best of both worlds. For example, mixing vinegar and baking soda can create a powerful cleaning agent that can tackle even tough stains. However, it's important to be careful when combining ingredients, as some combinations can be dangerous or ineffective. Make sure to do your research before trying any new combinations. That concludes the ultimate guide to cleaning solutions, ingredients, and uses. We've covered the basics of natural and chemical cleaning solutions, as well as how to safely combine ingredients for the best cleaning results. We hope this video has been informative and helpful, and that you feel more confident in your cleaning routine. Thanks for watching.